making snow?
Yeah.
Put in our snowman bag, a blizzard bag, even though winter's almost over. Colin's reading. Hi, Colin. He wants to do it. What do you have in your hands here?
A snowman.
And what did we cut up and put in there?
Snow.
To make a blizzard.
A blizzard? What?
Blow in the straw. Blow harder. Now point the straw towards the paper. Oh! Do it again. Point towards the paper. Whoa! Look at that blizzard in a bag. Whoa! Violet said she was bored and needed something to do, so we made a blizzard in a bag. What do you think of it?
Good.